Hey, it's Gigi with Danzo Digital Media Group. So, are you ready for the intensive? Oh, you didn't register yet? What you waiting for? Well, just in case you're not sure why you need to come to intensive, let me tell you a little bit about what's going to happen during that day. You will be able to walk away with some of your things implemented: your email marketing campaigns, your social media campaigns, your website will be built or start the process, and I'll show you how to do that. You'll learn how to use Canva for business. As well, we're going to put all this together with AI, also known as artificial intelligence. Now, you've heard of ChatGPT, you might have heard of Microsoft Copilot, building images, but I know a lot of it can be overwhelming. So we are going to take you step by step on this day. So why me? I am a certified consultant, artificial intelligence consultant, and a digital marketing strategist. I have been blessed to work with the EDAC Center at Morgan State, the Baltimore Women Business Center, and currently I am the marketing advisor for the DC Small Business Center, amongst doing training for a lot of other organizations. And I love helping small businesses take it to the next level. I have always tried many of these things on my own businesses first before I show you. So I'm not just telling you what to do. I've tried it out and I've checked it out to see if it worked. So I hope you will join me. It will be an amazing event. It's going to be in person, not on Zoom, so we can touch, feel, and we're offering lunch so that we can network with other businesses that will be there. So I hope to see you. We have a few spots still available, and listed below, there's a button. You can go ahead and join us. And we have even made it really easier for you. We are accepting Klarna and Afterpay. That means you can break the payment up until four different payments. So there's no excuse. So you can get started with about $70 so. Absolutely no excuse to make money with your business and artificial intelligence. So if you have any questions, feel free to DM me or put it in the message field below, and I will definitely contact you soon. I hope you'll join me and all of the other businesses that have already signed up. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.